Alright, before we even start, I just want you to know that no glitches, hacks, cheats, or exploits were used in making this video. This was 100% legit. Alright, you get me? Okay, enjoy the video. Alright, I'm not gonna do any fluff. I know you know what Subway Surfers is. If you grew up anywhere near an iPad, you've probably played it, so I'm just gonna cut straight to the why. Why would I do this? Well, apart from the fact I've been touring and putting out more gaming content since like literally 2018, Subway Surfers has exploded on TikTok recently as... how do you even explain it? In the most late-stage social media dystopia thing ever, creators have started to put Subway Surfers next to videos to make the videos more engaging. Hey, here, me. You're watching me. Get out of here. Basically, if your video does well enough, there's a high chance someone's going to steal it and put it next to Subway Surfers. Which is why I beat everyone to the punch and put out a few Subway Surfer videos on my own with a few of my most viral hits. Don't hate the player, hate the game. However, as an up-and-coming creator myself, I saw a potential viral video idea in this whole whatever's going on. Basically, my idea was to make a video that looked like one of these Subway Surfer videos, and then lose the game in Subway Surfers, and then react to it in the video. It's sort of like breaking the fourth wall sort of vibe. Is that the fourth wall? It's one of the walls. I'd then take over the video, and then it would become a video of me trying to beat my high score, because I'm not that bad at the game, I'm not gonna lie. My high score is 9.6 million, I think, which isn't a world record, but it's probably higher than your score. Statistically, I'm praying it is. I set that score when I was 18. I'm 20 now, almost 21, so I haven't played in a while, but I don't remember it being that hard to set the score in the first place, so I'm hoping we can knock this out in a couple tries. Hopefully. However, in the name of sportsmanship and this actually being, you know, a challenge, but also to make sure it's not, you know, impossible, I am allowed to use keys, power-ups, and multipliers as long as I spend no money. So I'm not spending any money. However, I will watch as many ads as this game lets me. But the idea is you can attempt the same challenge with a $0 budget as long as you have a phone in the game, which is probably, you know, not a cheap investment by itself, but like we've all got phones and I'm getting off the point. Let's refocus. I'm going to get 10 million on Subway Surfers, and this is my first attempt. Alright, so I've got a fully charged phone. I've got a podcast to listen to. Let's get it. And just like that, I was off. And as you can see by my forehead starts, I had done minimal preparation for this. But that's all good. As you can see, it's pretty smooth sailing. Muscle memory came back pretty quickly. My reflexes were not too bad. I know we haven't cracked a million yet, but I feel like there's a pretty good chance I can get this on the first try. Okay, that was pretty close, but it's right as long as we don't... No way. Already? Oh no. Oh shit. Okay, that's not great. We've already lost a life and we've not touched a million yet. Obviously, I've only got a limited amount of lives before I run out of keys and GameStop letting me watch ads. So losing a life this early into the run is bad. It's really bad, but it's fine. I just need to lock in and it'll all be okay. Okay, that's not locking in, that's not great. Okay, I guess it's time to start watching some ads. After watching that masterclass in advertising, I cruised past a million. As you can see, it's all good. We're back on track. Time to get 10 million. Alright, this is not going well, but as long as I just get some momentum, I'll be okay. I'll be alright. Okay, at this stage, I'm starting not to have as much fun. Alright, the less we say about that, the better. We just need to keep running, keep moving, stay locked in, she'll be right. Can you just excuse me for a second? At this point, I'm starting to get a little stressed out and starting to make some silly mistakes, as you're about to see. Nice one, good job. And this ad did not help at all. Fuck, that's way too... It feels like... This is the most overstimulating soundtrack I've ever heard in my life. Genuinely horrific. I don't know why you would make an ad like that. Anyways, I'm struggling way too much considering we're just at 2 million. This is a little ridiculous. Remember when I said I was going to do this first try? That's because what makes you insane at this game. Look at me just like get in the flow right now and pick up a couple million points. Bro, I don't even know what I was meant to do there. I don't know. You know I was getting serious when he starts bringing out the gamer excuses. I have to say, lads, the pressure was mounting. I was starting to appreciate how big of a challenge this might be. No. After that pro gamer play, I realized that this was my last life. I had to either get 7 million points in this one go, or try again. And considering how much time this is taking, the idea of trying again was not that attractive to me. So I had to make this work, or else I was about to get really familiar with these trains. No, fuck. Oh. Well, that's attempt number 1. What was that? 4 point something million. This is going to be harder than I thought. All right. It's a little harder than I thought it was going to be. The number I was always thinking about is that a flawless run with all the multipliers on and everything is about 45 minutes to get 10 million. However, that's assuming you make 0 mistakes. I am somewhat prone to making mistakes. So every attempt is going to come out to being like about an hour, which stacks up pretty quickly. It's a lot of screen time. Which brings us to today's sponsor, Going Outside. Have you been playing video games for too long? Please, go outside. Touch some grass, get some fresh air. It feels good. You'll feel better, all right? Good chat. When I set my high score back in 2020, I remember I was pretty relaxed. I'm pretty sure I was in a chair or lying down, one of the two. Relaxed out, in the zone, just swiping. And I think I need to recreate these conditions for my next attempt, so. All right, let's set the blanket up as well. Welcome to my bed. All right, now I'm comfortable. I'm zen. I can get in the zone. Attempt 2, it won't be a number 3. I can't say that number. We're gonna get to 10 million this time. Let's go. Headphones on. I didn't get the power-ups. Shit. I need to watch more ads. Oh. I killed them. As I marched into attempt 2, I felt good, I felt peaceful, I felt relaxed, I felt zen, I felt ready to hit 10 million. Nothing could stop me. No trains, no barriers, no overweight security guards. I was not here to mess around. Yeah, nah, despite how I felt, I did not get 10 million this round. Here's what actually happened. That is literally the easiest puzzle I've ever seen in my life. There's no chance. I actually feel numb. I genuinely feel numb. Yeah, that stung. My final score in the end was 6 million and some change, which is considerably better than last time. However, it's still nowhere near my record, let alone 10 million. I went to bed feeling pretty defeated, I'm not gonna lie. It's the next day. We're about to enter into the 3rd attempt. I feel like cinematically it makes sense that we get it on this one. So I'm really hoping I don't stuff it up. I really don't want to do a 4th attempt. Oh.
Shit. I don't know what I was gonna make. Wait, is there on the train? Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. It's here. Thank God. Oh my god. That's what we've done my Assassin's Creed game. Fuck. Fuck. Far too close to the sun. I'm glad we died after 1 million though. It makes me feel a little better. A little bit. Okay. Oh, it's all falling apart. It's all falling apart.
Yeah, you could say my confidence was starting to dissipate.
Oh! What the f? That's crazy. I swear to God, the map is so much harder today than it was yesterday. This is crazy. No, why did I get the f***? Oh my god. I'm just bad at this game. I feel like I got worse at this game throughout this video. Genuinely. Oh my god. Oh my god. I don't think it's gonna happen. I'm starting to lose faith. No, hold on. Fuck. This music does not help. This music really does not help with you. Fuck. Oh my god, I don't care if you're cold. Every time I fucking help you out, next time I see you, you always happen to be in the same situation. At what point are you going to take responsibility that this might be your fault? How many times do you need me to start the fire for you? God.
I like trains.
Oh my god, bro. I've still got 3 million points to lock in. 3 and a bit million. It's doable. It's possible. It is possible. It is possible. That's what we have to remember. It is possible. We're down to the last life. Fuck, if I can't slip up for the next 3 million points. Fuck. Alright. Shit. Okay. Oh my god. The closer we get, the more stress it is. I hope that camera's still on. If that camera's not on. Oh shit. Oh my god. I looked at the score for a second. Holy shit. I'm getting bored out just to be safe. I don't trust myself right now. I need to lock back in. No! Oh, fuck. Oh my god. 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 I actually feel so empty after that. I genuinely feel empty. How long were we even going for? 1 hour 17. Holy shit.
Yeah, that one stung. I think it's fair to say I grossly underestimated this challenge. I genuinely thought I could get on the first go, if not the second, which is crazy in hindsight. From not playing a game in 2 years to getting 10 million, that is such a massive jump. Why did no one call me out? You were right there. You didn't say anything. What do you mean it's a YouTube video and I can't do that? Grow up. But for real, wow. I promise you, I'm not being dramatic. When you've been sitting there for an hour and a train just runs you over, the feeling that gives you sucks so much. None of the reactions you've seen have been played up at all. That's just genuinely how I've reacted to just train carnage. I'm telling you that because I respect the trust between me, the creator, and you, the audience. Which is why I need to come clean about something. I lied to you. That last attempt you just saw, the real long one, the one we got to 8 million and it didn't work out. That wasn't my third attempt. It was my fourth attempt. Because in reality, my actual third attempt, the one after I did the little talk before, looks like this. It's a little embarrassing. While I'm just giving you information, here's another thing you should know. The reason I failed the last attempt is because I ran out of keys, is how it goes with all the attempts. And obviously, since I can't spend any money, my ways of getting keys are a bit limited. I've either got to watch ads or do challenges. However, sometimes the game just won't feed you ads for keys, which does kind of make sense. There's only a certain amount of challenges you can actually complete for keys before they just run out. However, I didn't actually check the challenges until after the fourth attempt. So when I finally did check it, I was able to claim a bunch of free keys. However, this left me with two hard truths. Number one, if I checked this page before, I 110% would be able to complete the 10 million challenge of my last run. Definitely. I would have had so many keys. I could have played like shit and probably still got it. I only need 2 million more points. Oh my god. Deep breaths, Adam. Deep breaths. And reality number two, this was my last chance. I had exhausted all possible ways of getting free keys in this game. So if I didn't hit 10 million of this next run, I'd have to admit defeat and stop attempting, which is something I don't like the sound of at all. This game and challenge had humbled me for sure. I was going to need to focus and focus only on the right things. Running and trains.
Watch me now, watch me now, watch me now. I tell you he's gone! Yeah, watch me now, watch me now. Ooh, the cross came and then washed me down. I'ma go ahead, put me on a crown. I'm the son of the Mr. Ruler now. The devil screaming really out loud. He not proud, I got the chains on him now. Ooh, Jesus, walk Chi-Town. Ooh, Chi-Town, Mr. AZ hot now. I bow down to no one, unless it's the Holy One. I'm the only one who's speaking the truth. On you too, tell me what you do. Tell me what you choose. Are you heaven to hell proof?
it's gonna happen. What the fuck? Oh my god. Oh my god. Whoa. What? I did. No. Oh my god. Whoa. What? Fuck, don't, what? Am I crying? Oh my god. Oh, my hands are so sweaty. Oh my god. A bit of pressure. I just felt leave my body. Oh my god. On the last possible life as well. Like, I had nothing. If I died here, it was done. It was done. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. The pressure I felt in that last bit. Oh my god. I don't. When do I stop? Like, do I just keep going? How far does this go? This is insane. I just.
Good number. Holy shit. Holy shit. Oh, so that's how it is. Okay, fuck. Oh, shit. Oh my god. Look at that. Look at that. Holy shit. Oh my god. Top in the country, man. Top in the country. Shit, I felt like we just been on a journey. I feel like we just went on a journey.
I'm not gonna lie to him, I didn't think I was gonna be able to do it. I did not believe in myself in that last like 2 million. Once I knew that was the last chance, I thought it was f***ed. I thought it was done. Wow. Oh my god. Oh my god. 10.4 million. I haven't been outside all day.
I didn't think I was going to get it, I'm not going to lie. Honestly, that third attempt, that's actually the fourth attempt, kind of broke me. I genuinely thought I could not get past 8 million. I thought that was like my buffer, my cap. Also, it's currently 5:40 AM. I have not slept. This video that you're watching currently was an absolute mission to edit. Not because the editing was that complex, but because of the sheer amount of footage, it just broke LumaFusion. I haven't dealt with such a laggy project file in years. I honestly think editing this video was just as if not more of a challenge than actually breaking a record. So if you've actually watched all of this and made it to the end and currently watched me say this at the moment, thank you. Thank you so much. It means a lot to me. This video has been... It's been something. It's been an exhausting project and I'm really happy to be done with it. But I'm also proud of what I've made. There's fully a story about ego and me being humbled amongst this video, as well as, of course, video evidence of me hitting this record, because I don't think many people believe me otherwise. You know what? I'm gonna show my kids this one day. I'm gonna show them that their dad, he knew how to play some video games. It's kind of funny to think about how this all started because of a TikTok idea. This is not about that TikTok anymore. I mean, I'll still make it. If you follow me, you'll probably see it. But I care way more about the fact that I actually broke the record than how well that TikTok ever does. And I feel like there's a lesson in there somewhere, but I'm a little too tired to figure it out right now. Anyways, I'm getting delirious. I've probably forgotten the things I was meant to say. I just want to go to bed. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure to hit that subscribe button to go. Let it sound effect callback. And most importantly, don't try this. It's a waste of time, in all honesty. You're going to spend a lot of time swiping and more time watching ads. No, I'm not just saying that so you don't beat my record. That's definitely what I'm saying. Alright, anyways, have a good one. I'll catch you later. Bye.